Dubai is a vibrant city where dreams come to life and opportunities abound. For expats and nationals alike, the entrepreneurial spirit thrives in this bustling metropolis. In today's digital age, starting an online business has never been easier. And in Dubai, obtaining an e-trader license is the first step towards turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. But how exactly can expats and nationals get their hands on this coveted license? Let's break it down. Welcome to our guide on how to get an e-trader license in Dubai. Whether you're an expat or a national, let's dive right in. Step 1. Visit the Dubai Economy (DED) website or simply visit DED Cafe in Jumeirah to begin your application process. Step 2. Create an account and complete the necessary forms with your personal information and business details. Step 3. Provide required documents such as your Emirates ID, passport copy, and other relevant certificates or permits. Note that you may need your Makani number from your Ejari, as providing it when you apply for the e-trader license is mandatory. Step 4. Pay the fees for the e-trader license. Generally, an e-trader license costs AED 1,070. License fees and knowledge and innovation fees, plus AED 300, Dubai Chamber membership fees. Step 5. Wait for approval from the Dubai Economy, DED, which usually takes a few days to process. And that's it. Once approved, you'll receive your e-trader license via email and be ready to start your online business journey. So, whether you're an expat or a national, getting an e-trader license in Dubai is a straightforward process that opens doors to endless possibilities in online entrepreneurship. Start your journey today and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for watching. For more information and resources on obtaining an e-trader license in Dubai, visit the Dubai Economy (DED) website or contact their customer service team for assistance.